Sorry about the wind today, but Mark here. I'm out here sniffing out sixpences and small silvers at the bottomless pit. And I just want you to take note on the screen that 1036, that's what you're looking for, those 36s and 35s. That's normally a sixpence in the ground. See there, we got a sort of 35, 36, 37, 35 again. The left-hand number, that 13 shouldn't jump up above 16 or 17. You'll get some funny readings, but as you can hear in the ground, it's actually not a very good, it's hard to do. It's not a very good, it's actually quite a broken target if you listen. Alright, we're going to dig this and see if it's a sixpence. I'm 99% sure it is. But if you look there, we've got that 1836, so it's really that 35, 36 number you want. Okay, let's dig it now and we'll just pinpoint it. Okay, there it is there. And we'll just have a bit of a dig here and see how we go. Ground's quite hard here already. Hopefully it's not too deep, but normally they are when they sound like this. I'll try and show you a little trick. If you look at how I dig my plug, I do point it in, make like a cone shape. There was somebody on the forum recently said something about pyramid shape. I know what he's talking about, to kind of get the gist. If you look at that when it comes out, it tapers right in. I'll try and move around the side so I'm in the shade a bit so you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, it's down the bottom of the hole there. Like I said, I'm pretty confident this is a sixpence. It's just more to give you an idea of this. There it is there already. I've just popped it up there. There it is. Beautiful. It's exactly what I was looking for today. Those really iffy signals, and probably find it's a 50, 55, 50s around there. Normally they're quite funny, but that's exactly what those signals are like. You're looking for that 35, 36 with my settings. Normally doesn't get up over the 20, but that one wasn't very deep, which was good, but it was still very iffy. Now, I just want to show you a little trick what I do when I'm filling in my holes. I've cut the plug, but what I do, this soil's, the loose soil always leaves too much in the hole. So what I do, I crumble it a bit, I actually take a handful, right? And because I'm on an oval, I throw it in the air, and what it does, it actually spreads out or blows away in the wind. What that does, I'll just take a little bit more out of there. What that does, it doesn't leave a mess, but your plug then will fit nicely back in the hole. And you just take enough out so that it just pops back in there nicely. I've got to take a little bit more out, flick it in the air there. It doesn't sit around the place. Now if you see that plug, it's sitting beautifully flat. Now another thing I do, because I've taken a bit out, I just punch the middle of it. What it does, it flanges it out on the edges, and then I flatten the edges off a bit. And I reckon when it rains, or the water gets on there, it's going to sit in there better, because these plugs, once we've dug them, we put them back in, they actually swell up when the water gets in them. So, it's a little trick I learned. Now, if you look at that, you can hardly see where that's been. And kind of what you've got to do. Anyway, enjoy that, and hope that really sheds some light on those small silvers with the Etrac.